Hello everyone. Quite often, car speakers start to wheeze over time. This happens because debris gets into the gap between the magnet and the coil. In some cases, it is easy to get rid of garbage. For example, you can blow the speaker with a compressor or vacuum cleaner, but this does not always help. To remove all the debris, the speaker needs to be disassembled. This process is simple, and in this video I will show you how everything happens. But first of all, I want to remind you about the Telegram channel Invexlab. There you will find a lot of useful and interesting information, schematic diagrams of various devices, background information, reminders about the appearance of new videos on this channel and much more. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the description below this video. Join us. Well, now let's start treating the horse speaker. I tried to blow this speaker with a compressor, but the result was zero, so now I'm going to take it apart and clean it. First, I will unscrew the high-frequency emitter. There is a lot of garbage in this dynamic. To disassemble the speaker, first of all, you need to peel off the diffuser. I will do this with a solvent and a knife. The solvent softens the glue a little and then it is easier to cut it with a knife. It took me about 5 minutes to peel off the diffuser. Now the same thing needs to be done with the centering washer, which is also called the lower suspension. The contact pad is broken and will need to be replaced. The speaker has been disassembled and can now be cleaned of debris. To do this, I used all the tools at hand, starting from scotch tape and ending with napkins. As a result, the speaker is almost as good as new. I temporarily closed the core with tape to install a new contact pad, which I made from a piece of textile light. I fixed this pad and the terminals on it with rivets. Now the speaker can be assembled. I wrapped the core with paper, which will help to place the coil exactly in the center. The place for fixing the centering washer has been pre-lubricated with glue. Before gluing the diffuser, I temporarily removed the paper to check that the coil moves freely and does not cling to anything. Now you can glue the diffuser. The speaker is cleaned and assembled. Now I'm going to solder all the wires and check how it works. This concludes this video. If you liked it, then click the subscribe button so that you don't miss the new video on my channel, which will appear very soon. I thank you for watching and see you soon.